Reputable vinyl siding contractor, in Baltimore, Maryland. A vinyl siding contractor can provide different services, including siding repair, siding installation, and vinyl siding replacement. To find a reliable siding contractor, research local companies specializing in installing vinyl siding on homes. It's important to find an experienced and reputable professional. The cost of professional vinyl siding installation depends on several factors, such as the size of the area covered, the type of siding used, and climate conditions. Generally, the cost ranges between $2 to $8 per square foot installed. Depending on these variables, proper maintenance and upkeep can make vinyl siding last up to 40 years on average. Weather extremes, humidity levels, and other conditions are important considerations for successful installation. It's best to hire a reputable Baltimore-based contractor who knows local regulations and siding trends. Reputable Baltimore siding contractors offer free estimates for project costs up front. Professional contractors understand building codes, which DIY homeowners may not take into consideration when tackling their own projects. The installation process can be quite complicated if not done properly by a vinyl siding contractor specialist. Trust McHenry Roofing for expert, reliable service. Contact us at https://mchenryroofing.business.site/ or give us a call at 410-774-6609 for a free estimate.